Hey, I'm Paul Emden. I'm here with Oasis Christian Church, and I run front of house here, and I'm on the PreSonus 64S. The first time I ever experienced any PreSonus product was the Tube Pre. We used it on bass in a recording session, and I thought it was really just a cool product, and I then got into Studio One whenever it came out. Now I'm using the 64S. I looked at a lot of different consoles. I like that it has the extra channels. I like that it coming from a larger console and analog, I'm able to have extra added workflows, some things I can duplicate channels and do different things for monitor mixes and such. It's all about routing for me, and with the PreSonus board, it's the routing's all there. I like the flex mixes. I'm already getting into the matrix, and as well as the post and pre aux outputs. Initially, the band having more control, I think, was one thing that was a big plus. And then as far as monitoring and the singers being able to hear themselves and things, that's always a matter of importance for me, and kind of working with them to get things sounding as it needs to be. I feel that they've had a lot better relationship with me on that, and having a lot more control on my end too, because before we didn't have very many options for gating things that were may ring out a little much. So now I just feel I have definitely a lot more control on everything. I went with PreSonus for a lot of reasons. The fact that I have the flex mixes, I like that. I knew I would have to have a matrix output right off the bat. I knew I would have to do some post and pre aux mixes. So I like that the flexibility was there to kind of create a mix as you need to. And also its output, you can kind of reroute and do that digital with soft patching. But on top of that, the DSP on each channel with the fat channel plugins, I use those pretty heavily. I feel they add something new to the way that I mix. I use my ears more instead of just relying on RTA meters, which is really great as well. Having RTA on any channel you want to, as well as on the graphic EQ, it's really great to have that. I've disconnected the old analog graphic EQ I was using to use what's in PreSonus because it's faster, and it gives you that, like I said, added control and assurance that you're getting getting what you give. So that's my take on it. You get a well-rounded console that's got a lot of ins and outs for sure.